If you had a button that made all the Israelis either disappear or die, or they were killed, would you push it?
No.
Even disappeared?
No.
Are you just telling me that to sound nice?
No, no.
Okay, why?
What does he have to gain? Why does it have to be nice?
Just, I know, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
It's not like the problem with the Israeli people. It's like they are occupied, so we just want to live in peace, you know? That's it. I don't wish if they like disappear, but we just want to live in peace. That's it.
If you had a magic button, like you could press a button, and all the Israelis would disappear, just disappear, would you press it?
They're people. Why I want to disappear people? I'm not a god. Okay.
But if you had that power, you wouldn't do it?
No, they have a fear of life, so why I want to kill people?
No, not kill.
No.
You're just making them disappear. They go back to wherever they go back. They go to somewhere.
I can't answer this. I can't answer this question.
Okay.
إذا كان عندك زر وإذا كبست عليه بيختفوا كل الإسرائيليين تكبس عليه؟
طبعا بكبس.
Yes, of course I would.
Okay, what if that button would kill them all? Would you
طب
do
إذا
it?
هذا الزر قتل كل الإسرائيليين تكبس عليه؟
طبعا لأني فلسطيني.
Yes, because I'm Palestinian.
If there was a button to press,
Yeah.
and you press that button, it would make all the Israelis disappear.
Yeah.
Or kill all the Israelis. Would you push it?
No way.
Even just disappear?
They are human beings. I don't have any problem with the people. Maybe the governments have problem with each other, but we as a people, we don't have any problems with each other. They are a human being. No one can take them out from this life except who created them. That's what I believe. I'm a nurse, and I learned this project to help people to save lives, not to take it. That's all.
If you had a button that you could push and all the Israelis would either disappear or be killed, would you push it?
No.
No.
Not even disappear?
No.
Okay, why?
Because I don't like kill to kill.
Not just kill, they just disappear.
Disappear?
Yeah.
I like him to disappear, but in a nice way, not in the hard way.
If they disappear and they go to Hawaii, would that be okay?
Why not?
Okay.
It's very nice for them.
Can I go to Hawaii too?
Yes. Okay, we already talked about this. I asked you if you would push a button to make all the Israelis disappear, and you said you would make Zionism disappear.
Yes.
Okay. Why? What's in Zionism? Why?
اللي هو مبدأ الاستعمار، كيف اللي ما إلهم حق بيجوا بيستعمروا باخدوا أرض ناس عاشوا فيها وعمروا فيها وإلهم تراث وإلهم حضارة فيها، إن كان ببلادنا بفلسطين أو برا. يعني هي بتصير أصلا صهيونية باسم بمسمى ثاني ممكن كمان ببلاد برا. فيعني بشكل عام مكافحة فكرة الاستعمار والصهيونية والاستعمار بشكل عام.
Combating Zionism, colonialism and occupation in general. Yes, that's what she's against.
لهيك الواحد يعيش بأرضه ويدافع عنها ويقدر يعيش ببلاده بحرية، وكل واحد عايش ببلده بدون أي استعمار لأي حدا ولا أي أرض لأي
with freedom, without occupation.
ولا استعمار لحتى أفكار مش بس أرض.
Because occupation is even occupying not just the land but also the mind and the thoughts. لو كان عندك زر وكبسته وكل الإسرائيليين بيختفوا تكبس عليه؟
والله أنا مش تبع السياسة
I'm not really into politics.
Yeah, but personally.
بس إنه إشي شخصي يعني شخصيا رأيك الشخصي.
رأيي الشخصي كفلسطيني على اللي بيسووا فينا.
As a Palestinian, my personal view and according to what they're doing to us, of course.
Okay. And if that button would kill them, would you do it too?
I'm gonna say disappear, go back to their countries, or disappear, kill them.
Okay.
How about we? Okay. طيب هذا الزر بتكبسه لو بقتلهم كلهم ولا بتكبسه بس عشان يرجعوا محل ما اجوا؟
بكبسوا على اللي بيسووا فينا هم بس أطفال أو كبار كأطفال كشيوخ كبار في العمر لا، أما الجنود
I would press it to kill the soldiers but not to harm the elderly or the children. لو كان عندك زر تكبسي عليه هل تكبسي عليه عشان يختفوا كل الإسرائيليين؟
أكيد.
Yes, of course.
الاحتلال الصهيوني قديش احنا نتوفق على
مش سامعة سوري.
مش سامعة؟
لا، سوري.
طيب هلا بعلي الصوت عيد.
لو سمحتي.
أكيد عشان خاصة الاحتلال الصهيوني قديش أثروا على الفلسطينيين سلبا، قديش قتلوا منا ناس وقديش هم فعليا عم ياخذوا أرض مش لهم. هاي الأرض للفلسطينيين واحتجوا على الفلسطينيين. الإسرائيليين لازم يرجعوا من الأماكن اللي
Would she, if she could push a button and kill them, would it do that too?
طب لو الزر هذا اللي بتكبسي عليه بيقتل كل الإسرائيليين، بتكبسي عليه؟ تضغطي عليه؟ لو بيقتلهم كتل تضغطي عليه؟
أعتقد يعني برجع بأكد خاصة الاحتلال الصهيوني.
I guess I would say yes, especially because of the Zionist occupation.
خاصة اللي أذوا الفلسطينيين بشكل خاص.
Especially those who hurt the Palestinians.
لكن في ناس يعني ما أذوا اسم الديانة اليهودية وما أذوا الفلسطينيين يرجعوا يعني وقتوا من بلدان ثانية ممكن يرجعوا لبلادهم يعني هدول يعني بيعيشوا بسلام بيعيشوا بسلام نسميه سلام الديانات يعني اللي ما أذوا الفلسطينيين.
But I think those who did not harm us, the Jews who did not harm us, I believe that they should live in peace. They should go back to the countries they came from, and they deserve to live in peace. إذا كان في عندك زر وبكبسة الزر هذا كل الإسرائيليين بيختفوا، تكبس عليه؟
خيالي؟
هذا سؤال هيك يعني نسبيا. حسب ايش؟
حسب مين الإسرائيليين؟
It depends. حسب مين سوري مش سامعة.
جيش إسرائيلي، مواطنين إسرائيليين.
It depends when I
press the button. حول العالم بشكل عام.
Who would disappear? Would it be the Israeli soldiers, the Israeli people, all the Jews?
So who would he make disappear and who wouldn't he?
Okay. مثلا هذا الزر كمان في له خيار. هذا الزر برضه له خيارات خلينا نحكي. مين تختار إنه يختفي؟ العنف. نعم العنف ضد الشعب. I would press the button to make the violence against our people disappear.
Meaning the soldiers that commit violence and the settlers.
بما معناه أنت بتدوس على الزر عشان الجيش والمستوطنين العنيفين يختفوا.
العنف بحد ذاته.
العنف. Violence in itself, not the people.
Okay. Guys, if you want to see more videos like these, please donate. I accept baked goods, free trips to Bora Bora, anything.